Hi, my name is Monica Vanderbeek and I'd like to welcome you to the Pima Medical Institute Colorado Springs campus near the base of Pikes Peak. Come with me so we can take a closer look at the programs we offer. When you get to our campus, you'll be coming to our reception area and you'll meet with our admissions and then financial services. Why don't you come with me and we'll take a closer look at our labs. Now I'd like to show you our MA lab and introduce you to Shirley Jomo, our lead medical assisting instructor. Shirley's been with us for 24 years. Shirley, can you tell us a little bit about these labs?
Sure. Through hands-on training, medical assistant students develop the skills needed in confidence, professionalism, and in skills that employers are looking for.
Thanks, Shirley. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right, come with me so we can take a look at our next lab. Now I'd like to show you our dental assisting classroom and introduce you to Courtney Seats, our lead dental assisting instructor. Courtney, can you tell us a little bit about these labs?
Yeah, of course. Right now we have our students working in sterilization, coronal polishing, as well as dental radiography. And these are just some of the different exciting roles that dental assistants do, and just shows how diverse our days are within the clinic.
Great, thank you, Courtney. Okay, come with me to check out our next program. Now I'd like to show you our vet assisting and vet tech labs. I'm going to introduce you to Tracy Berry. She's our vet tech clinical director. Tracy, can you tell us a little bit about these programs?
Yeah. So these guys down here are our vet tech students. They are getting a set of vitals on this kiddo. And then right over here, these guys are doing some bandaging practice on that guy up on the table. And then this is Sushi. This is my baby. She's here today for some moral support.
I appreciate it, Tracy.
Yep.
Now I'd like to show you our pharmacy technician classroom and introduce you to Lori Schwartz, our lead pharmacy technician and two-time Pima graduate. Lori, can you tell us a little bit about what students learn in your program?
Sure, I can. We learn different aspects of pharmacy. We deal with retail settings, compounding, and hospital. Some students are working on making capsules. We're calculating day's supply and unit dose.
Great, thanks Lori, I appreciate it. One of the things I love best about coming to work every day is getting to work with our students, watching them grow throughout the programs and graduate and work in their fields. Now we're in our medical lab tech classroom. I'd like to introduce you to Esperanza Bolton. She's our clinical director. Esperanza, can you tell us a little bit about your program?
Yes, so medical lab technicians, we are behind the scenes in patient care. So whenever a doctor puts in your labs for blood work, urinalysis, comes back to the lab to us. We test it and the doctors use those results for patient diagnostics. The students would go out to be in hospitals, diagnostic labs, clinic labs.
Thanks, Esperanza.
You're welcome.
Another really cool thing about the Colorado Springs campus is our atrium. It really adds to the Pima vibe. This is where our students come to take a break between classes, study, or have a snack. Thank you for joining us for the tour of our Colorado Springs campus. There's a lot more to see. Walk-ins are welcome, so feel free to join us. If not, visit us at pmi.edu. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.